Kandinsky is an end-to-end social conversation visualization system which provides a multifaceted visualization of social discussion associated with or upload content on social media. The visualization uses a collection of colorful circles and concentric circles to represent discussion threads, as inspired by Russian painter and art theorist Vasily Kandinsky. In this context, a social discussion is defined as the collection of comments in discussions associated with an anchor post that is published as a form of upload post, images or videos on social media platforms. Given a large number of comments in a discussion, it is cumbersome and time-consuming to comprehend them by simply browsing the comments. Although social media platforms like Facebook and YouTube provide primitive support to facilitate an efficient way to access the comments, such as giving the options to sort the comments by popularity or chronology, these ordering options do not allow users to have a bird's-eye view of the conversation landscape. Also, by simply reading the comments, users may miss the highlights of discussion threads that have garnered considerable attention and interactions among the commentators. Furthermore, it may seem reasonable to visualize the discussion using a network with the nodes represent the comment and edges as the interactions. However, with a large amount of comments, it becomes cognitively challenging to an end user. Kandinsky is designed to depart from the traditional network view by visualizing social discussion with a collection of colorful circles and concentric circles. The application of circles and concentric circles is an inspiration from the two important paintings by Russian painter Vasily Kandinsky. Firstly, Color Study, Squares with Concentric Circles, which was painted in 1913, is a small study by Kandinsky on how different color combinations are perceived in his creative process. In the application Kandinsky, color is also an important component more than a visual object. The colors are used as identifiers of the commentators. Hence, when there are more users getting involved in a discussion, the concentric circles will get larger and more colorful. Secondly, Several Circles, which was painted in 1926, demonstrates the painter's characteristic geometricity. Inspired by the use of space on the canvas, Kandinsky employs similar concept to display two types of concentric circles, namely nucleus and peripheral. Nucleus is the group of replies that respond to the original post's commentator, where peripherals are discussions stemmed from the nucleus and when other commentators start a different discussion from the original post. Take note that peripherals may imply a topic shift in a social discussion. Moreover, Kandinsky adopts details-on-demand features for users to drill more information if necessary. These features will be presented in this demo later on. The example shown on screen is based on a video post on YouTube. We define the post as anchor post. Only comments and replies to the anchor post are visualized in Kandinsky. When Kandinsky is in play mode, the application draws a circle on Kandinsky canvas, one at a time. Each circle denotes a comment in the social conversation. Each color on the canvas identifies as individual commentator. The radius of each circle is controlled by the like count of the comment. As commentators respond to a comment, it draws a concentric circle around the original post, which is the comment that directly responds to the anchor post. What you can see right now is an example of a group of concentric circles. One can imagine that when there are more people involved in a discussion, the collection of concentric circles will become more colorful. In Kandinsky, we name such a group as nucleus. Furthermore, people sometimes start another discussion in a discussion thread. They are referred as the replies to a user's comment that may not respond directly to an original post. These discussions can be captured as peripherals that stay on the periphery of the nucleus, as you can see on the screen. Kandinsky is implemented with details on demand design where users can look for more information about the social discussion if necessary. For example, when a user would like to see what a nucleus or a peripheral is about, she can click on the innermost circle to expand the full discussion thread on the left. Also, the thickness of the color bar corresponds to the like count of the comment. Kandinsky performs topic modeling on the textual content of comments so users can find similar comments to a selected post by simply clicking on the button. Comments with similar topic distribution will be shown on another panel, and they are also highlighted with yellow boxes on Kandinsky canvas. Timeline markers are introduced in Kandinsky as indicators shown on the timeline, as shown at the bottom of the screen. They are to mark the time when some interesting pattern with respect to the social conversation is detected. For example, when there is a surge of comments or when a particular group of commentators are in a discussion at intervals. These two events will be shown as two markers with different colors on the timeline so users can identify them individually. To visualize the differences of the discussion landscape at two different timestamps, a user can first load the Kandinsky canvas at time A and then at time B. Opacity of the colors of comments that exist in both time A and B is subsided, and only the new comments that occur between these two timestamps are shown in brighter color. Kandinsky also allows users to search for keywords in the social discussion, and the search result will be highlighted in white bounding box. Users can then click on any of these highlighted comments to view its textual content containing the keyword. In this example, we search for Trump to see if how people's comments are related to him in the context of MS-13. We have presented an alternative end-to-end social conversation visualization solution, Kandinsky. The system visualizes various discussion threads using a collection of colorful circles and concentric circles, bridging the social conversation visualization problem with the abstract art of Vasily Kandinsky. We hope you enjoyed the demo and thank you for watching.